Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make money on PrizeRebel, one of the easiest ways to earn extra cash online in 2025. Before we get started, be sure to check the description for a link to PrizeRebel where you can sign up for free and start earning right away. PrizeRebel is an online platform that offers users the opportunity to make money by completing various simple tasks. Upon joining, you can earn rewards through several methods such as taking surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and participating in other activities. This flexibility allows users to choose the tasks that best suit their interests or availability. Membership is completely free, and the platform is accessible in many countries worldwide, making it easy for individuals from different regions to get involved. While the specific earning opportunities may vary depending on your location, most countries provide a sufficient range of tasks to help users earn rewards consistently. Whether you're looking to make a little extra income in your spare time or seeking a more regular source of earnings, PrizeRebel offers a variety of ways to do so. Once you've signed up for an account, let's take a closer look at how the platform works. The first step in accessing your earnings is to navigate to the Rewards section of your account. In this section, you'll find all the options available for claiming your rewards. Keep in mind that the available payout methods can vary depending on your location, so the options you see may differ from what others in different regions experience. However, one consistent method that is typically available worldwide is PayPal. No matter where you're located, PayPal should be an option for transferring your earnings. Simply choose your preferred payout method and follow the prompts to complete the process. The minimum payout is only $5, making it easy to achieve. You can also request larger amounts, and there's a custom option to choose any amount you prefer. For example, if I select PayPal as the payout method, I can choose $200. To do so, I'll need 20,000 points. Once I select this amount, PrizeRebel will process the request. Payments typically take about 24 hours to process, though, in my experience, they often pay out on the same day. Now, let me show you a full screenshot of the payment proof I received showing the $200. This payment was processed smoothly, and you can see that PrizeRebel is legitimate. Now that you know PrizeRebel is a legitimate platform that pays, let's dive into how you can start earning money. There are a variety of ways to accumulate points, and the first method is by completing surveys. PrizeRebel partners with multiple survey providers, offering a wide range of opportunities for members to earn points. The number of surveys available may differ depending on your location, with some regions having more options than others. Additionally, you might find fewer surveys available on weekends or during public holidays, as survey demand can fluctuate. However, the general rewards for completing surveys are competitive, and if you're consistent in participating, you can earn a significant amount over time. It's worth noting that some surveys may take longer to complete, but the payout often reflects the time and effort required. By staying active and regularly checking for new surveys, you can maximize your earning potential. Whether you're completing a few quick surveys or tackling longer, more detailed ones, PrizeRebel offers an accessible way to start earning real money. I'll now show you an example of how a survey looks. As shown, there is a variety of surveys to choose from, so you can select the ones that interest you the most. Each survey has clear, concise information about what to expect. First, it displays the estimated time required to complete the survey, which helps you decide whether you want to spend a few minutes or a bit longer on it. Knowing the time frame in advance allows you to better manage your schedule, so you can easily plan your day around completing surveys. Additionally, each survey indicates how many points you will earn once you complete it. This makes it easy to gauge the value of your time spent on each survey. You can track your progress as you go, and it gives you a sense of achievement with every survey you finish. The points system motivates you to keep going and rewards your efforts as you accumulate more points. The platform itself is designed with simplicity in mind, which means you don't need to deal with any complicated instructions. You can jump straight into taking surveys without the need to figure out how to navigate the system. It's built for convenience and ease, ensuring that even if you're new to the platform, you can start participating right away. Sometimes there may be instances when a survey is unavailable, but that's not a problem. You're not left with nothing to do. You can simply move on to the next available survey and continue working toward your rewards. The ability to switch between surveys keeps things flexible and gives you the freedom to choose which ones suit your preferences or availability at the time. This means you can keep progressing without interruption, maximizing your time and earning potential. In addition to downloading apps, playing games and signing up for trials, PrizeRebel offers a wide variety of other tasks that can help you boost your earnings. These may include completing surveys, participating in research panels, or engaging in product testing, all of which typically offer different reward levels based on the complexity and time commitment required. The platform often partners with brands and services, giving users access to exclusive offers that may not be available elsewhere, so it's beneficial to keep an eye on these deals. Furthermore, PrizeRebel offers opportunities to earn by referring others. You can invite friends and family to join the platform, and when they complete certain tasks, you can earn a percentage of their earnings, which provides a steady stream of passive income. This referral program can be particularly useful if you have a network of people who are interested in earning rewards in their free time. Even the small tasks, like watching videos or completing easy offers, can lead to a consistent build-up of points over time. With dedication and regular engagement, these points can eventually be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or other rewards, making PrizeRebel a flexible and accessible option for earning extra money from home. Whether you want to focus on higher-paying tasks or simply enjoy completing smaller, easier offers, there's something for everyone. Let's take a closer look at the offer wall, which is where you can find the videos available for you to watch. On this wall, you'll notice a variety of offers. Some of these offers let you watch short video clips in exchange for a small number of points. While the payout for these video clips isn't substantial, it can still add up over time. If you find yourself with a few extra minutes to spare, watching a few videos is a simple and effortless way to earn some additional income. It's not going to make you a fortune, but it's a straightforward method to increase your earnings with minimal effort. In addition to completing surveys and taking advantage of various offers, there are daily and 5-day challenges available, offering opportunities to earn extra points. While the rewards from these challenges may not be substantial, they provide an easy and consistent way to boost your earnings on a daily basis. These challenges typically require minimal time or effort, making them a convenient option for those looking to steadily increase their points. Beyond that, you can also participate in contests and raffles, where you can use your accumulated points to enter for a chance to win prizes such as gift cards or cash. While these activities are more about fun and the thrill of the possibility of winning, they do offer a chance to get something extra with relatively little effort. Entering these contests can be an enjoyable way to mix up your usual routine of earning points, and every so often, they might just pay off with a rewarding surprise. Here are a few additional strategies to boost your earnings on PrizeRebel. One effective way is by participating in their referral contests. These contests offer you the chance to earn bonuses by inviting friends, family, or anyone else to sign up on the platform. The more people you refer, the more money you can earn. It's an excellent way to increase your rewards passively while helping others discover the platform. Additionally, it's beneficial to keep an eye out for promotional codes that PrizeRebel sometimes shares. These codes can be found on their social media pages or in email newsletters they send to users. When you enter these codes, you receive extra points that add up to a higher earnings potential. It's a simple but effective way to maximize your earnings, so make sure to check for these codes regularly. Let's dive deeper into PrizeRebel's membership levels and how they work. As you engage more with the platform, your membership level increases, rewarding you for your activity. Starting at the basic level, you can unlock higher tiers by completing tasks and participating in activities. As you progress to higher levels, you'll enjoy faster payment processing, which means you get your earnings sooner. Along with quicker payouts, you'll receive additional bonuses, such as a percentage of your total earnings each month. These perks are designed to motivate you to keep using PrizeRebel. The more you participate, the greater the rewards, making it a great incentive to stay active and continue to take advantage of the platform's offerings. This tiered membership system adds an extra layer of motivation, ensuring that as you use PrizeRebel more frequently, you unlock more benefits and opportunities to maximize your earnings. Finally, let's discuss the potential earnings you can expect from the platform. The amount you can make largely depends on two key factors: your location and the amount of time you dedicate to the platform. Different countries offer varying levels of opportunities for completing surveys and offers. Some countries have a higher volume of available tasks, leading to more earning potential, while others may have fewer opportunities, which can result in longer waiting times to accumulate earnings. In countries with more surveys and offers, you might find it easier to earn consistently, allowing for a higher monthly income. On the other hand, if you're in a country with limited opportunities, your earnings might take longer to build up, and you might have to be more patient. Overall, the amount you can expect to earn can range widely. For those who are less active or just getting started, earnings might only reach a few dollars each month. However, for more dedicated users who spend more time completing tasks or referring others to the platform, it's possible to make anywhere from a few $100s each month. Your earnings will vary based on your level of involvement, the number of tasks you complete, and how effectively you refer new users. Being consistent and proactive is key to increasing your earning potential. In conclusion, PrizeRebel is one of the best free ways to make extra money online. While you won't make a full-time income from it, you can definitely earn a nice side income. It has a low payout threshold, fast payments, and several ways to earn. If you're interested, click the link in the description to sign up for free and start earning today.